In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import contacts from Excel to Gmail. Before you upload anything to Google, take a moment to prepare your Excel file the right way. Gmail imports contacts through Google Contacts, and the file format it expects is CSV, which stands for comma-separated values. So if your contacts are currently in an Excel spreadsheet, you will first need to save that spreadsheet as a CSV file. When you save it, make sure your first row contains clear column headers, like first name, last name, email, phone, or similar contact fields. Keeping the headers simple and organized helps Google match your data correctly during the import. Also, it is a good idea to quickly scan the sheet for empty columns, duplicate rows, or multiple email addresses stuffed into one cell. Cleaning that up now can prevent messy contacts later. Once your spreadsheet is ready, save it as a CSV file on your computer somewhere you can easily find, like your desktop or downloads folder. Now you are ready to import it into Google Contacts. Open your web browser and go to Google Contacts. Make sure you are signed into the same Google account where you want these contacts to appear in Gmail, because Gmail pulls contacts from this account. When you are in Google Contacts, look for the Import option in the menu. Click Import to open the upload window. In that window, you will see a button that says Select File. Click Select File, then browse to the location where you saved your CSV file from Excel. Choose the file and confirm the selection. After the file is selected, you will return to the Import window. Click the Import button to start uploading your contacts. Google will process the file, and after a short moment, your new contacts will appear in your list. Depending on how many entries you imported, it may take a little longer, so give it a moment if you do not see everything instantly. Once the import finishes, your contacts will be available in Google Contacts and also accessible from Gmail when you compose an email and start typing a name or address. That covers everything you need to know.